In this video, I am going to solve question number 8 from exercise 11a of D4 7th edition. The topic is probability, and we are going to draw a tree diagram, and the case is dependent one. So there is a box that contains 33 table tennis balls. 12 of the balls are white. So we have 12 white balls, okay, and how many orange? So we have two colored balls, one is of white color and they are 12 in number, while the other one are orange in color and they are definitely, rest of them are orange. We have 33 balls. So if 12 are white, then out of 33, 12 are white, then 21 will be orange. Total is 33, 21 orange, 12 white. Now the balls are identical except for their color. A ball is taken at random from the box and not replaced. A second ball is then taken out at random from the box. With the help of a tree diagram, find the probability that both balls are orange. Okay, first of all, draw the tree diagram. This is first draw. Where first ball is taken out. So we have 12 white and 21 orange. The probability of having a white ball in the first draw is 12 out of total number of balls, which are 33. While probability of orange is 21, the number of orange balls divided by 33. Now when you will take out the second ball, it may be white or it may be orange. Similarly, if you take out second ball, in this case it may be white, it may be orange. And because we have not replaced the ball back in the bag, so if white ball is taken out, then when you will draw the second ball, then one white is taken out, then number of white balls will be 11, because one white is taken out, and total number now is 32 because one is taken out. Similarly, for orange, total number will not be affected for orange because we have taken out white one, not orange one here in this case. So orange will be 21 in the back, white is taken out, while total is less now because one ball is out. So out of 33, now you have 32. Now if the first ball is orange colored, then probability in the second draw that you will be having a white ball in the second draw is number of white balls, because first ball is orange, so number of white balls are same. Out of total is now one less because one ball is taken out, so it is 32. And if first ball is orange and second one is also orange, so because one orange is taken out, so one orange will be less. When you are going to draw it second time, it will be now 20 orange balls out of 32. Now you can, this is the possibility diagram. Now the part 1 says find the probability both balls are orange. This one orange, orange, that is 21 by 33 multiply by the first orange, the second orange, 20 over 32. Okay, you can simplify it. That is 21 by 33 into 2 10 times 20 to 16 times 21 by 33 into 5 over 8. Now you can further simplify it. So we can further simplify it. 3 7 times 21, 3 11 times 33. So 5 into 7 is 35, and 11 into 8 is 88. So the probability that both balls are orange is 35 by 88. The next one is part number 2. both balls are of same color. Well, that is the case of white and white. For the first draw white, second draw white, and orange. So for white and white it will be 12 by 33 into 11 by 32. 12 by 33, 11 by 32, plus along the branch you need to multiply the probabilities, across you have to add. And the second case for same color is orange and orange. 21 by 33, 21 by 33 into 20 by 32, 20 by 32, right? So you can simplify it. 11, 1 time 11, 3 times 33, it will be 12 over 3 into 32, plus what can be done over here, 3 7 times 21, 3 11 times 33, 7 over 11 into 20 over 32. Further simplification can be done to 6 times 12 to 16 times 32, 6 times 12, 16 times 32, and 7 over 11 into 2, 10 times 20 to 16 times 32. 2 10 times 22, 16 times 32. You can further simplify it. 2 3 times 6, 2 8 times 16, 2 3 times 6, 2 8 times 16, 2 5 times 10, 2 8 times 16. You can simplify this. Moving over here, it will be 1 over 8 plus 5 into 7 is 35 over 88, right? 88 maybe the LCM in this case now. 8 11 times 88, so 8 11 times 88, 11 into 1 11 plus 35, that is 45 and 1 46 over 88, whose further simplification then can be done, that is 23 over 44. So this is the answer for part number 2. And the case number 3 is both balls are of different color. First one is white, then second one is orange, different color. 12 over 33 into 21 over 32. So 12 over 33 into 21 over 32. This is the case when both are of different color. First one is white, second one is orange. So both have different colors, and the second one is orange and white. 21 over 33. 21 over 33 into white 12 over 32. Perform simplification. 3 7 times 21, 3 11 times 33, 2 6 times 12, 2 16 times 32. It will be 6 into 7 over 11 into 16 plus 3 7 times 21, 3 11 times 33, 7 over 11 into 2 6 times 12, 2 16 times 32, 6 over 16. So you can have LCM 11 into 16, 11 into 16, but 11 into 16, 176 is the LCM. 7 into 6, 42, 7 into 6, 42, that is 84 over 176. You can simplify it to 4 times 8 to 2 times 4 over to 8 times 16 and to 8 times 16. Further simplification can be done to 21 times 42 to 44 times 88. So this is the solution, 21 over 44 for question number 8, part number 3 from exercise D4. Subscribe the channel if you haven't done it so, and thank you so much for watching.